Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to another episode of Man on Board. It's a Saturday morning, solo launch. Currently low tide. I think it's rising tide right now. So probably the current's gonna push me towards Coney Island, but you never know where I'll gonna end up. Okay, that's the adventure. I never have a concrete plan. Okay, so I always target to go one place, ended up going to another place. Okay, I'm just trying out all the spots that I know. Okay, probably searching for new spots as well. So it looks like a good day. Water looks good. Gonna head out. Gonna try my first spot somewhere near the Kelong outside of outside of Pasir Ris, and see what we can get there for the first probably half an hour to an hour. Then probably I'll get to another spot. Okay, so wish me luck, guys. Alright, guys. First spot, as usual in the morning, always come to this spot first. So I'm gonna drop my bait, see if there's any action below. I don't want to jig, then there's no fish. Okay, very tiring jigging. So most of the time, local launchers I'll be using live prawn. Okay, once in a while I'll try jigging using rubber lure. So we'll see how. First spot, slow current. Okay, very slow current. Hopefully there's some activity around there. Okay, let's see lah. Short rod this one given by my elder brother. So he wants me to try, see whether I can break it. We'll see lah. We'll see. Okay, 8.8 meters. Short like the rod. I don't know lah. This one Exoga rod. Blastino. He had this rod for quite some time and not be using it, so I was pestering him to just pass it on to me lah. So probably it's about 5 feet rod also. Let's see if I'm lucky now. Being a weekend, so there's a lot of anglers around. So I got a couple behind me. A few more still yet to launch. Since Uncle Fu's rental has been picking up, so some of the other kayak rental services. Okay, from Aileron Kayaks. I'm not too sure. I think Yak2Go. Freeway SG, and also Fish On, Norden. So we all do kayak rental. So if you don't have your own kayak, you can always rent from these operators. First fish, alhamdulillah. Don't know what it is. Mangrove jack as usual. Alhamdulillah. Mangrove jack. Okay lah, don't be choosy. Oops. Okay guys, not too big lah. So always can give it to a friend. A lot of friends who love to eat fish. Not too big. Okay, 300 grams jadi alhamdulillah. Oh no, suddenly got fish. Tekuk. Told you, must be this guy. Tekuk. No head shake, nothing. Suddenly got fish. Stargazer. Alright, decided to cross over to Ubin. So I'm just outside the Ketam channel. Probably it's gonna push me towards Coney Island. So I'm just MJ again. MJ, alhamdulillah. Oh my goodness. Okay lah guys, a bit slow, better than nothing. MJ also jadilah. Okay, again not too big. Yes, alhamdulillah. Finally. Yes, alhamdulillah. Finally guys. Alhamdulillah, not too big but at least finally my first. Okay, my first golden trevally. Okay guys. First golden trevally. Alhamdulillah. Okay guys, alhamdulillah, finally landing my very first golden trevally. Okay, been trying to hunt for the golden trevally even in Malaysian waters, but wasn't been successful. Okay, so finally today, alhamdulillah, caught one. Not too big, but at least tick off my bucket list. Okay, one of the fish that I've not caught so far lah, past 2 years plus 3 years. Not even once I caught a golden trevally. So finally catching one. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Unga. Standing up. Alhamdulillah. So nice size. Alhamdulillah. size. Alhamdulillah. Oh, bigger guys. Alhamdulillah. Woohoo. Guys, it's almost 2 p.m. So gonna stay until about 2 lah. Yeah, got about 10-15 minutes left at Ubin. Then I'm gonna cross back to Pasir Ris side because the current is pushing me back towards Changi. So not too bad the rod gifted by my brother caught 5 fish for today. Not too bad, not too bad. Again. Oh man, dua kali. Anyway, it's already been almost about 5 months of me using the Hobby Link. What do I think about it? Well, personally, I love it. Okay, I'm loving it even more than my Outback. Hence, that's why I'm more on my links than my Outback. So my Papaya Outback is currently being used by my elder brother. So let him have a feel of using a hobby. He's loving it. So for me, personally, I love the links because it's light. Okay, so it's easy for me to pull it once I'm done fishing. Put a scupper cut on, and drag the kayak to the Kokomo Beach Club. So it's much lighter, easier for me, less tiring. Washing up is also easier because there's no hull. There's no hatch in the hull because basically there's no hull. Hence it's just the top deck. Clean it up, the bottom deck, that's it, spray with water and you're done. The only setback is you have to make your own storage for your tackles and whatnot. Anyway, I've learned how to set up my kayak. Quite simple. I got one cooler box to keep my ice, my drinks. Okay, so I've got my battery box at the back, and bait well as well at the back. All good. Fish finder, 4 rod holders. That's it. Okay, I think it's very important that to have the Lynx H rail. Okay, with the track on it. That's the latest one. So it's easier to mount your stuff on the track, and you can tie down your stuff to the rail so that it doesn't fall off the kayak. Teko. Oh, pari. Oh, pari. Oh, pari. Oh, pari. Oh, pari. Pari dah, pari dah. Pari. Guys, I'm back at Pasir Ris. Almost 4 p.m. now. So just nice for me to get back in. Wash the kayak, pack up and head back home. So not too bad for today. Last launch wasn't too good. 12 hours getting only 1 fish. For today, I'm quite happy. Okay, launched about 8. Then I got a couple of fish, about 5. Okay, so I've got 2 mangrove jacks, 2 spotted snappers and 1 golden trevally. I'm quite happy, especially with the golden trevally. Though it's not a big size, I'm quite happy because bucket list tick. So finally I've got my golden trevally. Not too bad for today. So I'm able to head back in a bit early today. So still have the sunlight. Last launch I came back about 7, so it's quite late. Not giving up. I'm trying to hunt for the fish, but it's just not my day. So Alhamdulillah, today is a better day. So it's always trying. Okay, never give up. You know, sometimes it can be quite demoralizing going out the whole day and not getting any fish. It doesn't matter. Not every day is a Sunday. So if it's a good day, you'll get your fish. Okay. So yeah, so more to learn, more to explore. Yeah, that's it lah. So do drop a like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification for more videos. Thanks guys.